The following content is sponsored by Dan Hamilton and Company at Keller Williams.
Well, it's time for a market update with our friend Dan Hamilton with Hamilton and Company at Keller Williams. Today we're talking about the difference between a market crash and a market correction. Dan, you always break it down for us. We try to understand these concepts and you put it in layman's terms so we can. Good to see you.
Good to see you guys. Great to be here.
So a lot of people are talking about correction or a recession. What is the difference?
Yeah, so I hear a good bit, people that were looking at homes a few months ago, they're all like, well, we're going to wait for the market to crash, right? And so I think the market's not going to crash, the real estate market. So just, sneak peek preview, it's not going to crash. For a market to crash, there has to be a lot of inventory. Inventory has to go up. Real estate is supply and demand, and we're still seeing inventory at record low levels. So are we in a market correction? Absolutely. I mean, what we had over the past 18 months was not sustainable. So we are seeing a correction. You've got to really price correctly. You've got to make sure that your home is staged well, all those things. We're going back to a much more normalized market, which feels like a correction, but it's anything but a crash at this point.
So it's like what goes up must come down. That's the principle. It's not going to go down as far as everyone may predict that it will.
Right. Yeah. Again, it's it's supply and demand, and so we're still seeing, even at a national level and even locally, that we're not seeing as many homes come on the market as you would anticipate this time of year, and so that's keeping inventory levels down. And the reason why is you can kind of imagine, if you locked in back in late last year at 3% mortgage rate, you've got to have a really compelling reason to move.
Right.
And so a lot of people are like, you know what, we're happy, we're at 3%. Why would we want to move right now?
We're just going to make do with what we have.
Exactly. Yeah.
Add on and whatnot.
Yeah. So what should people be doing right now? They could be frustrated because the inventory is so low, but that's why they need a team that has access to these properties, constantly attaining new properties.
Yeah,
as well.
It's still so important, more than ever, to have a great real estate agent, a great team at your side to make sure that you're out looking. And we are, even though mortgage rates are up, they're right around 6%. Historically, that's still pretty solid. So if you want to buy, if you kind of waited out that heavy market, get pre-qualified, figure out what your loan could be. And 6% is not bad, and now you've got more options, you got a little more time, you don't have to be quite as frenzied to make that decision.
Because there's a time, you were having offer, in 12 hours you would have,
right.
It's gone. So.
Yeah, exactly. You had to make a decision on the spot. A lot of people just aren't, they're not set up to make those decisions that quickly.
I can't imagine doing that.
That's a big decision to make really quickly.
Right.
Yeah. What about people that had like a home that they're like, gosh, I wanted to sell, but did I miss making a lot of money from?
Yeah, well, you did miss the peak, right?
Right.
In terms of, at least for now, right? The market will fluctuate. But, I would say April to May was kind of that peak of the market where you could really get top dollar. You can still get a great price, but if you can't really go back and look at what your neighbor sold for in May and say, I want to go above that now.
Yeah.
You can maybe get it and maybe a little bit below, but that was the peak. But still, there are buyers out there. We're talking to buyers every single day that want to be here, that want to find a home. So there's definitely buyers out there.
We're talking about how attractive this area has become.
Yeah.
And every day it gets more attractive, so it keeps going up and up. Dan, you brought a couple houses that we're going to talk about, starting at 276 Cunningham Road.
Look at this one.
Travelers
Oh my
Rest.
goodness.
This is
my vibe right
checks
there.
a lot of boxes. 12.5 acres.
Wow.
Complete privacy. So you have a nice winding private road up to this property. It's got a very flexible floor plan. This is a Lindole cedar home, which is recognized as one of the top cedar homes out there. Very well constructed basement. Like I said, flexible floor plan plus an in-ground pool with pool house.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that.
Just all the windows and outside.
Yep.
So
total privacy in Travelers Rest. You can get to Highway 25 very quickly and easily, but yet you're in your own little world right up there on Cunningham Road.
Look at that.
So
Love it. Okay, we're going over to 402 Winsinger Lane in Greer.
Greer, absolutely. Check this out. This is a great opportunity to purchase a townhome. This one actually is, if you're not necessarily wanting to move right now, but you want to lock in some great rates, this one's rented. So it's got income on it right now. You could buy it and then keep it for an investment, or move in early next year when the renter moves out. So awesome opportunity in Greer to own a townhome there.
Such a cute little kitchen too,
Yes.
like the perfect space.
Entertaining kitchen.
Yes. All right. Last but not least, let's go to Williamston, 104 Jericho Road.
Yep, love this new construction. This is J-Star Homes, one of our great builder partners out there. This is Williamston, and very popular, very easy to get to a lot of different places right there off 85. Brand new construction. This will be complete in about 3 weeks. So
wow.
you can
Close.
Go ahead and get this locked in. We've sold a couple of these homes right here in this neighborhood, and very, very
I
popular.
love that nice
It just
white, clean
yeah,
look.
I do too. Such good
Very
curb
clean.
appeal.
High
So
quality
cute.
construction as well.
Well, listen, if you like one of these that Dan just mentioned, or want to take a look at some of the other ones, or just get him to come out and see if yours can go on the market, give him a call. Head on over to his website first, mygreenvillehome.com. Dan, we
Thanks,
always
Dan.
appreciate those
Thank you,
market
guys.
updates.
Yeah.